Hey guys, so today I've got a 2010 Honda Accord. It's got a couple of issues going on. It's got a P1129 fault code, P1129. Check engine light is on. The idle is really high. The idle is rough while at idle when you're driving, sitting at traffic lights. And when you floor it on high speeds, there's no power. It starts bogging. So usually it's a pretty common issue with these cars. One of the main reason is a faulty map sensor right over here, or it could be a vacuum leak in the system. Anywhere in the vacuum system, one of the most common reason is this boot. We replace a lot. You see how there's a crack over here? It's not big enough where it's going to cause any leaks, but they do crack a lot and cause these problems. There's the mass airflow sensors, and it could be dirty or defective. We already put a smoke test on it and made sure there was no issues, no vacuum leaks. So the issue with this one was that a backstory. This one went to a loop shop to get the oil change done. They recommended a fuel injection service. They apparently cleaned the throttle plate. On these models, sometimes, if not most times, anytime the throttle plate is manually cleaned or opened, you have to do a throttle position relearn procedure. There is no manual procedure for that as far as I know. You do need a scan tool for that. I ran into this issue at least once or twice before where the cars came here from a different shop for the same issue. They did the right thing. They checked for vacuum leaks. They changed the air filter. Everything else was fine. Like physically, everything got checked out. The only thing, the throttle was not reset. So for this one, you do need a scan tool. First thing, we're gonna turn the ignition to the on position. Let's see. Engine systems. Special functions. Throttle relearn. Alright, equipment will reset the TP learning value. Need to learn the throttle body at the same time if the reset the TP learning value. It's okay. So engine is turned off and the ignition off. Put the car in neutral. Make sure you have your brake pedal pressed. Set the parking brake. Let go of the brake pedal. Alright, TP learning value has been cleared. Clear the throttle body. We already checked the throttle body is clean and cleared. If not, some other problem may occur. That's okay. Okay, so this is the procedure we have to follow. Screenshot if needed. Start idle learning steps when the engine becomes unstable. Ensure all electronics are turned off. Turn the vehicle to on mode. Wait 2 seconds. Start and keep the engine speed at 3000 RPM when unloaded. And park on neutral position until the fan starts to run or the coolant temperature reaches 90 degrees, 194 Fahrenheit. Make the engine run at idle for about 5 minutes when the throttle fully closed. So I mean, like, let go of the gas pedal and let it run. And there's a special note: if the radiator fan is running, do not count its running time into the 5 minutes. Alright, so we're gonna start it, let it run. The RPM is already coming down. Once it starts getting unstable, I'm gonna press the gas pedal, keep it at 3000 RPM. gonna wait till either the fan comes on or the temperature gets to 194 degrees. After that, I'm gonna let it run and idle for 5 minutes. So this is usually the procedure that I follow. Once you finish, clear the engine light codes, test drive it outside. If any problems, redo the procedure again. If it does not work, that means there's a problem in the throttle body. Maybe it got damaged, or somebody like manually pressed the butterfly valve and damaged the gears inside, worn out gears. So could be that. So thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this helps somebody looking for some help. Please support, like, and subscribe.